What's up and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to be installing an L86 6.2 intake manifold and throttle body on this 2016 5.3 truck. And then so we're going to get this thing installed, and then in just a few hours we're going to be riding down to Powerhouse Performance in North Carolina to get this thing dyno tuned and see what it makes on the dyno. And then just for reference for dyno numbers later, it's a relatively stock truck. It has a cold air inductions, cold air intake, a rough country 3.5-inch coilover lift, and I believe these are 34 1150 tires. So we'll see what she makes. We'll start making some guesses. We have all of our bolts, new gaskets. Here's the L86 throttle body and manifold. So we're gonna get this thing pulled on over to the carport and start pulling this thing apart. Also forgot to mention it's got a W1 catch can and a Carvin TR. Is that what it is?
Yeah.
This is his brother's truck. So we need to make some videos of your LT4 truck. Insert
True.
here. All right, so we got the cover and all the manifold bolts out. Back bolts are a pain in the ass. We're gonna vacuum up some of this crap before we pull it out. Definitely the key to doing this is keeping the cover on and not trying to fight with those back pins to get it out, and just pulling the manifold out, putting the new one in. The L83 and the L86 manifold cover are the same part number, so it'll fit both. So we're gonna vacuum this thing up and pull it out. Yeah. There's that L83 next to the L86. About the same height wise. You can see difference in the throttle body. So we just need to stick these gaskets on and stick it on. All right, while Hunter's torquing down the manifold, we're gonna stick the N-gauge monitor on. Evan, are you excited?
I'm so excited.
You got my heart, got my mind.
So we're gonna mount this thing to the dash right here with the suction cup mount. Same monitor I have in my truck.
Have like boost and all that stuff when I had mine preset on.
All right, get the manifold all plumbed up, covers on there. We gotta get a bigger hose clamp because the stock 5.3 hose is a little too small, even though it says 95 millimeter. So yeah, we're all done. We're gonna put the battery on it, do a throttle body relearn, and we'll head to Powerhouse.
Yeah.
Average with no tune. Does always get around 17?
Yeah.
We shall see what it gets next in an hour or 2 hours and 8 minutes. All right, what do we think it's gonna make?
I don't know. I'm thinking 305, 310.
Dang.
Gosh, she looks good, doesn't she?
Evan, what do you think it's gonna make?
Same as him.
I'm thinking like 318, 320. All right, just got it finished up at Powerhouse. Gonna do some pulls, see what this thing does. Made 323 to the wheel. A little more than all of us thought. 300 stock was the really impressive part, but time to head home and see what she does.
She definitely shifts way better than she did stock.
You definitely feel a difference. Big old fast truck now. See what the MPG does on the way home. All right, we've been driving for a little while on the way home with the new Powerhouse tune. MPG jumped up 18.7 on our drive. Let's see if it goes up anymore. MPG has been climbing on our way home. It's 20.1, 20.2. It's actively going up right now. Tune has made a big difference MPG wise. So L86 intake manifold and throttle body install was a success. The tune added about 23 horsepower wheel to the wheels. It made 300 stock, which we are all pretty impressed about. Our MPG shot up to, I think we got 20.5 was our best on the way home from Powerhouse Performance. If you're looking for any type of Gen 5 truck tuning, I would definitely call Lance at Powerhouse Performance if you're local to the North Carolina area or have any kind of remote tuning device. I'll put the link to his Instagram in the description below. And thanks for watching.